What up, everybody, and welcome to Baz on Blades. My name is Baz, and I talk about blades, and today we've got a quick unboxing and initial impressions. I know you've already seen the title of the video. We've got inside this box a product from Kansept Knives. As always, I want to recommend White Mountain Knives. Justin over at White Mountain Knives, taking care of the knife enthusiast community. Free shipping, great selection, great prices, 10% discount codes. Always had very good service from Justin at White Mountain Knives. Again, no business affiliation at all. I've never even spoken to the man in person or on the phone. He just takes care of us. So there we go. Let's go ahead and cut into this box. We've got the Kershaw Launch 13 out here. Got an upcoming review of this one coming up sometime soon here at Baz on Blades. I've got a tabletop full of reviews that I need to do right now, and not enough time to do them all. So here we go. Justin likes to use peanuts. Oh, he's got some foam in there. Oh, we're upgrading. And we'll get this out of here. And, you know, at first I'm like, oh, what cool shape is that? And it's not a cool shape at all. It's just a scrap piece of foam. So there we go. We've got the Kansept box here. Like I say, you've already seen on the video title what we've got is the Kansept Pretatout, and this is the new 154 cm bladed micarta handled liner lock version of a previous frame lock model from Kansept Knives. Again, Kansept Knives, started by the holy trinity of the knife community, 80s pop star Shaka Khan, Mongol leader Genghis Khan, and Ricardo Montalban, who played Khan in Star Trek. And out of those three, we're going to get a decent product here. Let's get this super deluxe box from Kansept. Their packaging is really, really nice. You're going to have your paperwork, your promotional material, warranty information, and there's a microfiber cleaning cloth in there. Then the knife is going to come in this little slip pouch here. And all of the Kansept knives that I have gotten thus far, have come packaged the same way. And let's take a look at the Pretatout. And that is French for something. I think it is French for buttery croissant. So this is the buttery croissant. Like I say, there is a previous higher-end titanium frame lock version of the Pretatout flipper folder. Comes in two different blade designs, a Tonto and a clip point. I have the clip point here in this quote-unquote budget version. This is a very, very good feeling micarta. It's a little dry. You can see it's a little dry. That is going to take up moisture and oils off of your skin very quickly, and it's going to patina. Micarta actually patinas. And you can clean it back off. It's a pretty cool material. I love it on knives. Micarta is typically considered a step up or deluxe sort of material. This one is bladed in 154 cm, and from what I am seeing and feeling right now, the fit and finish, the liners to the scales is excellent. It's got a milled titanium pocket clip here. Milled titanium pocket clip. I love how they do their pivot and their collar. A lot of companies will leave the center of the pivot plain, and then they'll do an anodized collar. And Kansept is doing a lot of that in reverse on some of their knives, and I really like that. Such a simple change in design language. It really pops. You can see we've got blue center. The screw, male and female side of the pivot is in black. The thumb stud is in black. Black on the milled titanium pocket clip. You've got barreled concave barrel standoffs here that are also in black. Pretty basic color scheme here. And I know everybody wants to see. Let's get this thing open. Yeah. Oh, very smooth. Good detent. Good detent. Look at that blade. Look at that blade. Swedged, ridged, scooped, fullered, flat ground. 154 cm. That finish is a very fine sort of stone wash. The blade looks it's a little wet with oil right now, but you can see it's sort of a very fine stone wash with a subdued character. I love this fuller. For a clip point, it's a very modern look. Let's see how this feels in the hand. Oh, that is awesome. That is absolutely, absolutely awesome. We won't go into too many specs here, but this is about a 3.5 inch blade, so it's going to be about 8 inches overall. We will get into those details in the review and throw all those numbers at you. You're going to have ceramic bearings on the pivot and for the detent ceramic also. This is... take a look at the centering here. I would say that centering is straight down the center, which is exactly what you want to see with centering. Flipping action is excellent. Detent is strong, but not too strong. I don't know. Okay, it can be failed if you purposefully fail it, but it doesn't feel like a weak detent. And then it's super duper smooth. Let's see if there's any play in that. I got nothing. I got nothing, guys. Very, very good at that smoothness level. Oh my goodness. After this gets flipped 50 or 100 times, that'll just be absolutely drop shut smooth. I am really, really liking this. That is modern looking, excellent materials, but it's a very basic concept from Kansept. I'm really liking this. See, I always like the titanium frame lock version. But, you know, I don't often spend in the $200 range for knives anymore. It has to be something super, super, super special for me to get up that. It doesn't matter where it's manufactured or who makes it. I've owned many, 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 many custom knives, very expensive knives. And I know personally that I don't get that much out of that price point over something like this that is, in most respects, I'm seeing right now is practically flawless. It's an attractive design. It's just interesting enough to make it appealing while still being very classic. With this clip, this long flat clip, basically a harpoonish maybe, because of this scoop, detailing scoop here. It gives it a harpoonish look. That is a very interesting. I'm thinking I like everything about this knife so far. I am thinking that, and I think price-wise, I'll make sure before the review, but it's in the $70, $80 price point, which in 154 cm, ceramic bearings, milled pocket clip, titanium pocket clip, and this level of fit and finish and action. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is very, very nice. Very, very nice, guys. There is a first look and impressions on the, again, the Kansept Pretatout, which means buttered croissant in French. It's a K Maxrom design, a very big buttered croissant fan from what I understand. And that is something that Shaka Khan, Genghis Khan, and Ricardo Montalban can appreciate, I'm sure. As always, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of my videos. God bless all of you, and we will talk to you again.